Pivot Points Package 3 Montana 4 Indicators. There isn't much to tell about pivot points. All that matters is that pivot points represent the daily tool of all successful investors. In this package there are all necessary pivots. Package consists of 3 indicators: daily pivots, weekly pivots, and monthly pivots. Montana 4 indicator formula that is used to calculate the pivots is identical to the ones of successful investors. Auto sessions are being monitored and analyzed by all big investors. Unless all important sessions haven't passed specific point that could actually be a good support or resistance, if the price passes that level it will continue in that direction with large number of pips. By analyzing sessions you can get much information that are crucial for successful trade. If you carefully analyze the London and the New York session you'll see that market turnover on both is at the same time, the price goes to another direction. This indicator will automatically select the 3 most important sessions, Asia, Europe, and USA, and their overlap. You can display only one session, or more, and make analysis of price movement on your graphs. Auto Daily Fibs. This indicator automatically calculates daily fibs based on daily high, low levels. You can set up indicator for weekly pivots auto-calculated, or just few days. Auto Daily Fibs by default calculates Fibonacci levels of previous day based on daily high and low. Indicator can be simply set to calculate the levels of last 2 days or more, like week, etc. by your choice. Institutional investors, bankers, another big investor, all of them choose the highest and the lowest daily and weekly levels as very important breaking points in the market, which makes this indicator very useful. Forget about drawing Fibonacci levels by hand. With this indicator you'll always have a good overview of the most important points on the market. Super channels. Forget about channel drawing by hand. This indicator will enable you constant display of the most relevant channels on the graph. You can trade within the channels or when the price break it. No matter how good you are in channel drawing, it's impossible to draw a precise channel on all those frames and pairs. This channel will make it possible. Profit Calculator indicator calculates your profit automatically. You probably often get into dilemmas whether you should open the position not knowing the ratio of possible gain and loss. With solid strategy, this indicator will give you some additional confidence, since you'll know exactly if the opening of position would pay off. Big investors don't pay attention to how much would they profit, they rather care for how much they could lose, so they're into trying to make small trades with safe rate and larger profit. All you have to do is to type in your stake, how many lots you put in game, your open line, stop line and take profit line. Grab with your mouse pointer to appropriate spots on the graph and the indicator will make automatic calculation of your profit, etc. Take a look at the picture. Default input value is 0.1 lot, of course that can be adjusted to your specifications. Auto Daily Open Line Drawing. Open line for each day on your charts. It's very simple and useful indicator because price react very well on daily open price. You should keep eye on daily open price, because daily open line becomes support or resistance. That's happening every day. If price, candle, close above open daily line, it is obviously bullish day. When candle close below daily open in 90% cases it's bearish day. That will help you a lot in day trading and scalping strategies. You will get a lot of confidence with this powerful indicator. Works on all time frames. You can use it for scalping. We use this indicator on all currency pairs. Trend lines advanced. By using this indicator you will forget about drawing trend lines. Trend lines advanced the most relevant trend lines by connecting the most important areas in the market. All you need to do is to just turn on the indicator and wait for the price to reach area of support or resistance that has been determined by the indicator that draws trend lines.